The food every man needs to consume to be the best man. The best food every man needs to achieve good performance. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the health benefits of consuming cucumber, which you need. And with what I want to share in this video, it will encourage you as a man to continue consuming cucumber. And when you do this, you are going to get all these health amazing benefits of this cucumber. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, consider to subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell to always get notified when next I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, for every man that need good performance, you need good food. And one of the food is cucumber. What are the health benefits? Number one, with cucumber, it will make you to stay hydrated. Yes, cucumber contains a lot of water. And when you consume cucumber, the water inside cucumber will make you to stay hydrated. And once you are hydrated, it will improve your blood flow and blood circulation. So that is the benefits you are going to derive from cucumber. Number two benefit you are going to derive when you consume cucumber is that it helps in digestion. For people that always have complication after eating your food, take cucumber, just one like this. With one like this, it will help you to improve your digestion and reduce complications. So as a man, endeavor to consume cucumber. When you do this, you will have a good digestion. Now, number three benefits you are going to derive when you consume cucumber is that with cucumber, it will improve your immunity and help you to kill some bacteria because it contains antibacterial. And with that antibacterial, it will help you to get rid of some bacteria and infections inside your body system. And with this, it will also improve your fertility and also boost up your immunity. That is why every man needs to consume cucumber. This is very powerful, very important. Number four is that it can also help you to lower your blood sugar level. In case if you have too much sugar in your blood, with this, it will help you to get it reduced, to stop it, and it will never increase. So endeavor to consume cucumber. Once you do this, you will be the best man you want. Now, the final benefit which I want you to know is that it will improve your blood flow. Due to high water content, it will improve your blood flow. And with blood flow, that is when you will perform well as a man. With a good blood flow and fluid circulation, that is when your joystick will always respond when the need arises. With this, you will achieve it. So consume this on daily basis as a man. If you need good performance, you need good blood flow and blood circulation. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. Subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the bell to always get notified each time I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. I wish you good luck and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.